Polymyositis, a muscular disorder. Highlight in blue information that matches Alexandra's case. Highlight in red items that do not match Alexandria's case. What is polymyositis? Polymyositis is a disease that causes muscles to become irritated and inflamed. The muscles eventually start to break down and become weak. The condition can affect muscles all over the body. This can make even simple movements difficult. Polymyositis is one disease in a group of diseases called inflammatory myopathies. What causes polymyositis? The exact cause of polymyositis is not known. It most often happens in people ages 31 to 60. It barely occurs in people younger than 18. Experts think that polymyositis may be related to or triggered by a virus or an autoimmune reaction. An autoimmune reaction is when the body attacks its own tissues. In some cases, a medicine may lead to an allergic response that causes muscle irritation and damage. But in most cases, healthcare providers aren't able to find the exact cause of the condition. What are the symptoms of polymyositis? The condition affects muscles all over the body and can affect the ability to run, walk, or lift objects. It can also affect the muscles that allow you to eat and breathe. The muscles that are closest to the center of the body tend to be affected the most often. Polymyositis can make it hard to do everyday things. You may notice trouble walking up a flight of stairs, lifting up your arms, or getting out of your chair. As inflammation gets worse around the body, pain and weakness may affect the ankles, wrists, and lower arm areas. Weight loss and poor nutrition may become a problem if muscle weakness leads to trouble eating and swallowing. Below are the common symptoms of polymyositis. If Alexandra has that symptom, drag it over to the purple box. The common symptoms of polymyositis include muscle weakness in belly, joint pain and stiffness, trouble catching your breath, joint pain and stiffness, problems swallowing, irregular heart rhythm, beat. Alexandria shows these symptoms of polymyositis. How is polymyositis diagnosed? The process starts with a healthy history and a functional movement inventory. The exam will include seeing how strong your muscles are. You may also need tests such as blood tests. These are done to look for signs of muscle inflammation. They also check for abnormal proteins that form in autoimmune disease. Electromyograms, or EMG. This may be done to find abnormal electrical activity in affected muscles. MRI. This test uses large magnets and a computer to look for inflammation in the body. Muscle biopsy. Tiny pieces of tissue are taken to be checked with a microscope.